Welcome to another insightful video by UpKeep, your go-to platform for tools and resources that help maintenance and reliability teams succeed. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to take you on a journey back in time to explore the rise of the manufacturing boom after World War II. We'll uncover the factors that sparked this surge, from the increased demand for products, the advent of new technologies, to various global socio-political influences. Also, we'll delve into the impact this boom had on the United States, Europe, and Japan. Let's dive in, shall we? After the end of World War II, the world experienced a significant economic surge. This was largely due to an increased demand for products, the emergence of new technologies, and various global socio-political factors. A significant portion of this surge was the rise in manufacturing production worldwide, with the United States, France, West Germany, Italy, and Japan leading the charge. So, what exactly sparked this manufacturing boom? Let's dive into the various factors that played a role. Before the Second World War and following the First, the world was grappling with a severe economic depression. The Great Depression had caused unemployment rates in the United States to soar to 25%, with other nations suffering similarly. This economic downturn left many factories vacant, setting the stage for a resurgence in production during and after World War II. The United States in particular witnessed an incredible economic transformation after the war. Several factors contributed to this increase in production. Firstly, the war led to a surge in demand from businesses to manufacture supplies for the war effort. This demand filled factories and caused production to skyrocket. From 1939 to 1944, the nation's gross domestic product increased by approximately 8% each year. Secondly, the war era saw the birth and improvement of new industries, such as computers, television, and commercial aviation. With the advent of new technology came new production lines, leading to a boost in manufacturing. Other sectors like agriculture became more mechanized with increased use of tractors, combine harvesters, and various chemicals. Production lines also became more automated with new control technology. Thirdly, progressive tax rates were introduced during the war to facilitate government investment in the war effort. After the war, this tax structure remained, allowing the government to invest in numerous projects such as the interstate highway system in 1956. Finally, easier access to new technologies and property led to the expansion of the middle class. People lived more comfortably, bought more goods, and in turn supported production throughout the nation. But the impact of the war on technology and manufacturing wasn't confined to the United States. Many of the technological advancements and production increases seen in the U.S. were also witnessed in Europe and Japan, leading to a surge in industrial production. The manufacturing boom was also aided by increased cooperation among nations. Several countries formed the European Coal and Steel Community, or ECSC, which facilitated modernization and reduced costs for its members. This ECSC was the foundation for the United Nations, which was formed later on. Other factors that influenced production include lower oil prices, which facilitated the switch from coal to fossil fuels, financial repression, which affected interest rates and affordability, and depopulation, which freed up resources and lowered the prices of commodities. In conclusion, the manufacturing boom after the war was the result of increased demand, the emergence of new products, changes in government policies, global economic factors, and international cooperation. This manufacturing surge lasted until the 1970s and continues to influence manufacturing practices today. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the rise of the manufacturing boom after World War II, the factors that sparked this surge, and its impact on the United States, Europe, and Japan. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams succeed, visit our website at upkeep.com. See you in our next video.